Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really adorable basket of lemons. Everything is from Dollar Tree except the basket, but I got that on clearance, so the whole project costs less than $10. So if you want to see how I made this, then keep watching. So for this project, you're going to need some sort of container. I got this one from Burlington Coat Factory on clearance for $3.99. Pretty big on the inside. Just says Home Sweet Home, and it's a little bit distressed. And then you're gonna need some sort of container, presumably, to prop up what we're gonna put in here. So I'm just using this cold brew box from my cold brew that I bought this morning. So I'm just gonna use that. You'll need lemons from the Dollar Tree. I have 3 packages here. I'm gonna say we'll need this ribbon. I'm still not sure if we're gonna use it or not yet. I have faux moss stones from Dollar Tree. I have this garland. I also have this Spanish moss. Reindeer moss would have been better because it's this color, but I'm just going to work with what I have because I wasn't going back out. So I have some Spanish moss. And then I'm also going to be using some tissue paper and a hot glue gun, which I have heating up right here. Alright, so the first step to this is we're going to glue this box into here. So all I'm going to do is take a whole bunch of hot glue, drop it on the bottom of this box. And then pop it right in here. And I am sitting this in here the way that it sits taller, if that makes sense, the taller side of it. Alright, so that's in there. Next, I'm going to take some tissue paper. I'm just going to crumble it up onto the sides. This is just to prevent stuff from falling through and also to keep it kind of in its place. You could use foam for this too. I wasn't going to waste any foam because there's really no need to. Sorry. Just bringing this up so it's sitting level. With the outside of the container. So there's that. So this is what it looks like now, just all filled up. Next we're going to take some of this Spanish moss and just kind of lay it on here. Kind of looks like a bird's nest. So before I do that, what I'm going to do is take some more hot glue and just pipe it in here so it gives it something to stick to. Just do this all around. Don't have to be super precise with it because we're going to fill in other spots with those little moss stones that I have. Just do little drops of glue so it doesn't really go anywhere. Again, it doesn't have to be too precise. Put some more over here. like that big stick. Okay, making a nice big mess here. So this is now what we have. Next we can start placing our lemons in here. So I'm just going to place a few in here and try to figure out like where I like them. I kind of want them all bunched in the middle so it just looks like a bucket of lemons. So that's what I have. So I'm just gonna glue a few of these down. Try to kind of get them where I want them. So there's that. That's 2 packages of lemons. And now let's take our garland, turn it this way a little bit, there we go. Take our garland and try to go around this a little bit. So try to stick this where it's going to stay, and I like the look of it kind of creeping out of the lemons, or not out of the lemons, but out of the container, you know. So I'm going to try to glue this one down right on the edge so it doesn't really go anywhere. It's tricky working with this moss because it doesn't really give it much to stick to, but I'm going to try my best. I'm going to put another little dot right here and secure it there as well. And then bring this over, and what I'm going to do is cut this little end off here, and I'm going to put hot glue on this and shove it down. So it secures to something. And I'm also going to take this little end right here, cut that off as well. And then I'm going to try to secure also in the front just by tucking that stem down. So there's what we have now. So I like the way that this looks, but I think I definitely want more green in here, so that's where these little moss stones are going to come in. This would have looked a lot better if I just used the green reindeer moss, but again, I wasn't going back out. So let me tilt this, and I'm just going to start placing these in here just by putting hot glue on the back and putting them around. Oh, I'm out of glue again already. My goodness. And I'm going to put one right in the front. And then let's go around around the back here because I kind of want this to be pretty from all angles, really. And the white tissue paper is fine in here. That's kind of why I did it, because if it shows, it's not that big of a deal because the container is white as well. So again, just accenting anywhere that I want it really to be green. You could add more lemons too. Could do some more back here, pile them up a little bit. Do that, which is also really pretty. I think I'm gonna secure this lemon down on the top here, because I like the way that that looks. And heck, I'm gonna add in these lemons too. I like it with all 3 packages. So there we go. We have our bin of lemons. So I'm gonna finish working these moss stones in around the back. Again, just for touches of green. I don't really think you would have to do the moss stones if you would just buy the reindeer moss, but again, just working with what I have. And I have one little moss stone left, and I'm going to use it. It's silly to just keep one. I think I'm going to put it right there. So yeah, that is pretty much it. You know what? I'm gonna pull this one out that we just placed because I think I want it. Yeah. Okay. It just takes some playing with, really. But yeah, here it is. And it was just that easy to make. I don't believe I'm going to use any of this. I'm going to save this and the other packages of lemons that I had to make a lemon wreath. So, it was literally just that simple. And I hope you guys try it, and I thank you for watching.